Namaste, my dear friends. Namaskara, Vanakkam, Adab, Sasrikal, and hello and hi to all of you beautiful souls out there. This is Parinita Patri, and I'm here in front of you representing Pyramid Music Meditation Academy, PMMA, my dear friends. Music meditation is an initiative of PMMA to bring musicians and meditators to a single platform. Music meditation, a weekly program. Every episode will commence with a talk or interaction session with an expert on music, followed by a concert. A beautiful concert, my dear friends. And this interactive session will help meditators to enjoy and learn different aspects of music and its importance, while musicians can learn meditation from our masters. And we are presenting you this beautiful stream of episodes where you can enjoy meditation along with music that are being conducted by various masters, by various musicians who come together on a single platform to enlighten us and to take us to a higher level, to raise our consciousness. Thank you, my dear friends, for giving me this opportunity to speak about this beautiful event that is going to be held. And for more information, you can always go and visit www.pyramidmma.org, my dear friends. Thank you very much. Have a great music meditation, my dear friends. This is Pyramid Music Meditation Academy under the divine guidance of Brahmashri Patriji, the founder of Pyramid Spiritual Societies Movement. Thank you. Namaste.